Okay, our next virtual meet is tomorrow. So
Yes, miss.
you will begin the daily morning offering, and I have Naila Sheikh who will Naila, you will
Yes,
say
ma'am.
who will say the thought for the day tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Just prepare a short thought for the day. Anything short and sweet. Okay, 1-2 lines, it's fine. Okay, so with your
Ma'am.
mama's help, something nice which gives a good message. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Every time I will choose 2 girls. One, every time before the virtual meet, I'll tell you. Okay, so now tomorrow I'll tell 2 girls for Monday. So you know our virtual meets with me are Monday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, children? And on the other days, other teachers come in. We have on Tuesday, this Monday I did not come in because we had the International Yoga Day. So Miss Vidya took you all for International Yoga. Okay, she took you all for yoga rather. Then on Tuesday, we had karate. On Wednesday, you had singing. And today's Thursday, you're with me. And tomorrow also, you're with me. Okay, so every day, someone comes in for y'all. Is that clear? Now, tomorrow, we have 2. I come in the morning, and then you'll also have Marathi. Yes, children? Now, for tomorrow, I'll be sending you the link. The same link as today's only, I will be sending you for tomorrow, but I'll send it to you again in your school app. Is that clear? Through your School Connect app, I will send it again. So please be on time and follow instructions. Is that clear to all of you? Now I'll take your attendance. Please be careful with your roll numbers. 1, Mariam.
Excuse, ma'am.
Children, not now. I'll answer your questions later. Let's go ahead. Okay, any queries, I'll answer later. Okay. 1, Mariam.
Present, miss.
Children, you know your roll numbers coming in, so unmute yourself before that and be ready. Okay, don't waste time. Today is the 24th. Okay. Insia, 2, Insia. 3, Piyusha.
Present, miss.
4, Tejaswi. 'Tejaswi is not coming from the beginning, children. Okay. 5, Krisha Chabra. 6, Adelina.
Present, miss.
7, Tiana.
Present, miss.
8, Monica.
Present, miss.
9, Alicia.
Present, ma'am.
10, Arohi.
Present, ma'am.
11, Jasmine.
Present, ma'am.
12, Angela.
Present, ma'am.
13, Audra.
Present, miss.
14, Velika. 14, Velika Ferrao. Okay, 15, Jaini.
Present, ma'am.
16, Trisha.
Present, ma'am.
17, Krisha.
Present, ma'am.
18, Niraya. 19, Gargi.
Present, miss.
20, Kaira.
Present, miss.
21, Atasi.
Miss.
22, Ayuti.
Present, ma'am.
23, Bhargavi.
Present, ma'am.
24, Zainab.
Present, ma'am.
25, Nidhi.
Present, ma'am.
26, Ira. 26, Ira.
Present, miss.
27, Mehvish.
Present, miss.
28, Shanaya.
Present, ma'am.
29, Sarvadnya.
Present, miss.
30, Prashansa.
Present, ma'am.
31, Arya. 31, Arya. Arya is not there. Okay. 32, Ishika.
Present, miss.
33, Huda.
Present, miss.
34, Paulina.
Present, miss.
35, Isabel.
Present, miss.
36 Praniti.
Present, Miss.
37 Netra. 38 Ruhati.
Ma'am, 37 Netra present, ma'am.
Okay. 38 Ruhati. 39 Angela. Angela Pillai.
Present, Miss.
40 Ria Pillai.
Present, ma'am.
41 Susanna.
Present, Miss. Present, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
That's Susanna, right? OV 42. 42 OV. Is absent. Okay.
Ma'am, there are 2 OVs.
So OV Pingle. 42 OV Pingle. 43 Kavya.
Present, Miss.
44 Prisha.
Present, ma'am.
45 Glory.
Present, ma'am.
46 OV.
Present,
47 Devona.
present, Miss.
48 Harim.
Present, ma'am.
49 Naila.
Present, ma'am.
50 Aishwarya.
Present, Miss.
51 Yashita.
Present, Miss.
52 Anisha.
Present, ma'am.
53 Shravani Tejasvi. 53 Shravani. 54 Siddhi Tupe.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, 43 Shravani Tajwe. Present.
No, 1 minute, please. Wait. Shravani, 53 you are. Yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Then 54 was Siddhi. Siddhi, are you present? 54.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 55 Ritika.
Present, ma'am.
56 Gazelle. 56 Gazelle. 57 Tirumshan.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Just now I had someone come in. Let me see. Children, when we miss out the attendance, please tell me you're present later. Okay.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Shravani Miss.
Roll number
31.
30. 31. Maria? Okay. Okay. Now, children, I sent you lessons on the School Connect app. I sent you math, geometrical figures, part 1 and part 2. Yes, this last week. I hope you followed the explanation on angles. Practice drawing angles at home. Then we also sent you EVS lesson 1 yesterday. Yes, children, the explanation of part 1. So today I'm going to do EVS lesson 1 with you and explain it to you. Are you ready? Yes or no?
Yes, Miss.
Loudly.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now, children, when I explain a lesson, I'm going to present my screen to you with pictures. So that is why I put my camera off so that you can pay attention on the pictures that I'm presenting to you. Okay. And you can concentrate only on those pictures. So when I'm not presenting, I'll put my camera on. Okay, children. So just wait. I'm just starting with presenting my screen. Just give me a minute.
Yes.
Put your microphones off, children, and only put it on when I talk to you, okay? When I ask you something. Okay, can you see my screen, children?
Yes, no, ma'am. Yes, miss.
Okay, you can't see me, but you can see my screen.
Yes,
Now let's maintain silence.
ma'am.
Okay, today we will begin with lesson 1, that is life cycle of animals. Now children, listen carefully. We learned how water evaporates. We learned about the water cycle. Okay, so this is the image of the water cycle. We learned how water, in the 3rd standard, we learned, children, about the water cycle. So today we are going to revise it once before going into our lesson. We learned how water evaporates from the surface of the earth in the form of water vapor. Look at the picture. Look at the arrows. It rises into the atmosphere and cools down and forms clouds. That is known as condensation. It then falls in the form of rain, and that is called precipitation. Now, this process continues over and over again. And for this reason, it is called the water cycle. So it just goes on, children, like a wheel, like a cycle wheel. So that is why it is known as water cycle. You learned it in the 3rd standard. Now today, in the same way, animals too have a cycle of life, which they follow. So in this lesson, we will learn about the life cycle of different animals. Now children, can you tell, by looking at these pictures, we can see a dog and her pup, a cow and her calf, a goat and its kid, a hen with her chickens, and a mother with her baby, a cat with her kittens. Look at all these pictures carefully, children. We notice that all the young ones of these living creatures look the same as their mothers. Children, you too look like your parents. Correct, children? So now, do the kittens, now look at it carefully. So they all look like their mothers. A hen lays eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs? Think about it. No. So we will go ahead and learn more. This is the case in almost all living creatures, where the young ones look like their mothers. But we see a lot of difference in the young one and the adult of a butterfly. Now, adult is a grown-up and a young one is the baby. We will learn more about the changes in the growth of the butterfly a little later in the same lesson. Now, children, let us see the growth of animals. We see many stages of growth that take place in all living creatures. This growth takes place after birth. As you can see in the picture, small little puppy, it grows a little bigger and then it becomes an adult. So these are all the stages of growth of living creatures. This growth takes place only after birth. Some babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from their mama's tummy too. Example, a dog, a cat, goat, etc. Then they grow bigger and finally into an adult. These animals do not lay eggs, but some animals like crows, spiders, lizards, they lay eggs. So look at this picture carefully, children. The puppy is a small baby and it grows bigger and it's grown bigger. Now, for example, a chicken is born from an egg. Like the hen, these are some more animals. There are some more animals that lay eggs. Now, children, can you see carefully? Yes, a chicken is born from her egg. Now, children, ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. They hide them carefully where no one can see them. Why is that, children? Because someone can harm their eggs. The eggs of some are very small, of some very small animals are very tiny, so we cannot see them. Okay, we would hardly notice them, so we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be seen. Like the hen, there are other birds too that lay eggs. But we will take the example of the hen and learn about its life cycle. Now, children, a hen lays eggs, and after that, she hatches her eggs. So she hatches the eggs. What does it mean? What is the meaning of the word hatch? It means that after laying the eggs, the hen sits on her eggs to warm them. She is said to be hatching her eggs. Now, warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So after laying them, the hen sits on her eggs to keep them warm. She sits for several hours in a day. The warmth from the hen's body is passed to the eggs for the proper growth of the chicks. So the chicks inside slowly keep growing. Now, children, sometimes the hen gets up. She needs to get up to eat or to go out for a little bit of a change. And when she leaves her nest, she goes for a very short while and then she's quickly back again. Why does she do that? Because she does not want to leave her eggs unattended. She wants to be there to keep them safe because she knows that her little babies are going to come out of these eggs. So children, here we learned a new word called hatch and hatching. Okay. Now, when its growth is complete, the chicks break the eggshells and come out of them. As you can see in the picture, the chicks break the eggshells slowly and then they're out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger, and she takes care of them till they are old enough to fend for themselves or to take care. The meaning of fend is to take care of themselves. Now, when a hen is hatching her eggs, she has to sit for 20 to 22 days. Children, not 1 or 2 days, but for 20 to 22 days. And she becomes aggressive for the safety of her eggs. Now, what is the meaning of the word aggressive? It means ready to attack. Why does she become aggressive? Yes, because she is worried that someone will take away her eggs or harm them. So she does not allow anyone to come near her eggs. You can see how her feathers are ruffled when the dog has come close to her where she is. So she is angry. She's protecting her eggs. As you can see in this given picture, the life cycle of the chicken. Look at it carefully, children. We see that the hen has laid her eggs. She hatches her eggs for many hours in the day for 20 to 22 days. And in this picture, we can see the chick inside the egg is growing. Can you see the embryo? That's the little baby inside the egg. It is growing slowly and its growth is getting completed. Once its growth is completed, a chicken or a hatchling comes out or emerges and it grows slowly into an adult, and this cycle goes on. Now, children, I'm going to take a break for 1 minute. Okay. Can you see me now? Yes. We take a break. We learned a lot just now. So we just before we go ahead with our lesson, we take a little break to see if you've understood. Have you understood till now? The pictures were clear. Is there anyone who would like to ask any questions till now? Or what we've learned?
Miss, what is meaning of hatching?
I told you, it hatches means it comes out into a baby. It becomes a baby. The warmth of it sits on it and gives it warmth. It hatches it. That means it is hatching. It is growing inside. Okay?
Miss?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, sometimes homework of yesterday it's not come.
Now, children, we'll discuss our problems later. I'm just asking about this lesson just now. I'll give you time later to ask about everything, okay?
Ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am,
tell me.
Sometimes when my dad buys eggs from the shop, I put them in a warm blanket and try to hatch them. As he won't give me a pet.
But you have to hatch them for 20 to 22 days.
I keep them in a blanket.
Okay. Sits for many hours in the day and for 20 to 22 days. Imagine children, not 1 day, not 2 days, but she does not give up. She has a lot of patience. Why does she do that? Because
She loves her children.
yes, she loves her eggs and she knows that those eggs are going to hatch and little chickens are going to come out of those eggs. So she's very protective and she loves those eggs. Okay, now children, let's sit up straight and breathe in. Take a little break from our studies, little while. Breathe in. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Yes. Now, children, we see a lot of changes taking place from the time the baby is born till the baby becomes bigger and bigger. Does it become overnight bigger? No. It takes time. We take a little longer, but animals grow a bit faster. No, children? We see a little puppy, small little puppy, and within months, it has grown into an adult also sometimes. And we say, oh, I just saw this little puppy and it's grown. Do we grow like that as fast? No, we don't grow as fast. We grow slowly. So different cycles take a different time. Okay, children? Different growth takes different timing of different animals, insects, and of adults. So different timing. Okay, children? Any questions you would like to ask till now, what we have learned? Till now,
Can I tell one thing?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I know the butterfly life circle of animals.
No, that we learn now.
Life circle of butterfly.
We will do the life cycle now. That's why I'm waiting. So before I do the life cycle,
Ma'am, butterflies baby, they are called silkworms.
they're called caterpillars. They're called caterpillars, which I will teach you now. Okay? Yes.
When I was in first standard in a different school, we had made the life cycle of the butterfly.
Okay. And we'll make it now. So if you want, after we finish the lesson for me, we'll draw the life cycle of a butterfly in our books. Okay. And we can draw beautiful butterflies as well. Okay.
Ma'am?
Till now, can anyone tell me some new word that you've learned in this lesson? Till now, someone who has not answered, I want someone to answer.
Ma'am, hatchling.
Embryo.
No, I don't want you shouting. I don't want you shouting. If you know, you just put your hand up. Please mute yourselves. Mute yourselves. I can see your hand up. I will ask you to unmute and answer. Okay? Let me see. Monica, tell me what new word you learned just now. Any new word? Till now, what I taught you?
Ma'am, hatch.
Hatch. Okay. Monica's learned the word hatch. Now, let me see. Jasmine. Jasmine, any new word you learned? Tell me any new word you learned just now. Emerge. Okay, very good. Emerge means to come out. Very good. Then let me see. Krisha. Krisha Gaikwad.
Miss Hatch.
Hatch. Okay, you learned the word hatch. Let me see. I'm just going to ask anyone. Huda. Uda?
Ma'am, hatch.
Hatch. You also learn the word hatch. Okay. So children, we must learn to pronounce our words properly. That is why I'm asking you to say the new words. Because now when I teach you about the butterfly, the life cycle of the butterfly, there are going to be a lot new words. And the pronunciation of those words also are a little difficult. So I'm going to ask you to say the words with me. So you learn to pronounce the words properly. Okay. When we are learning in school also, I make sure that you learn the correct pronunciation. So even now, we will learn the correct pronunciation of the words. If not, it's of no use to us children learning and not learning the correct pronunciation of words, right? So when we learn something new, we must learn the correct pronunciation. So now again, I'm going to go ahead with my lesson. So I'm going to put my camera off. Okay, children? Okay, are we ready? Now look at this picture carefully. Metamorphosis is the word. Now, children, mute yourselves. Mute yourselves.
Ma'am, we cannot see. Ma'am, we can't see. Ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Then I'll just go back. 1 minute. 1 minute. Children, just wait for 1 minute.
This we can see now.
Okay. Now, children, look at this picture carefully. Metamorphosis is the new word that we will be learning about. Metamorphosis. Now, children, looking at these and the goat and the chick and the hen, they look the same and they grow up also looking the same. Okay, little difference, so similar. We don't say same, but we say similar, means a little different. Okay. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. So a caterpillar, it finally grows and becomes a butterfly. Would you even imagine, children? A caterpillar looks, you won't want to look at it, right? It looks hairy and it gives a little bit of a creepy feeling. Sometimes we don't like to look at the caterpillar. Okay, very frankly. Okay, children. But when it turns into a butterfly,
Voice is echoing.
when it turns into a butterfly, that's okay. Okay. Now, when it turns into a butterfly, it looks so pretty, and we want to see that butterfly, right?
Yes,
1 minute. I think something has gone wrong. Just wait. I'm going to start presenting again. Okay, just wait. I'm just going to start presenting again. Children, just give me a minute. Okay. Now, here we can see how the change takes place. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
1 minute. I have opened 2 things. That's why. Okay, children. Now here we can see how the change takes. No, you don't have to see me. You don't have to see me. You have to look at the picture, what I'm presenting. Here we can see how
I can see your picture.
you can see.
No, miss.
It's okay. You don't have to see me, children. You have to look at what I'm presenting. When I stop presenting, then I'll put my camera on. Okay. Now listen. Don't unmute yourselves unless and until there's a major problem. Just listen carefully. So, children, here we can see how the change takes place from a caterpillar to a butterfly. Can you look, children? In some animals, the young ones grow into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form.
Echoing.
Okay, children, 1 minute, just wait.
Mom, your voice is not echoing.
Okay, listen now. I will not be able to finish my lesson, children. I will not be able to finish my lesson. Listen carefully. So we see that in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Now you say the word with me without unmuting yourself. Say the word to yourself, metamorphosis. Break up the word, children, okay? Break it into 3. Metamorphosis. Is that clear? This is how we learn to pronounce a big word. So when you're reading it, break it up into 3 parts. Metamorphosis. Children, when we go to gardens and parks, where there are beautiful flowers and a lot of plants, we often see butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors in our environment and live their life among plants. So beautiful they are, children. They're very pleasant to look at. We feel very happy when we see a butterfly. Very often when small children, even you, see a butterfly in your garden, you go running after it. You want to catch it. And if you catch it, you will damage its delicate wings. So we must not try catching it, but we must just admire its beauty. Look how beautiful it is, different colors, variety of colors, and we like to look at them. Now, as butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. Can you look at the 4 stages? I'll show it to you again once more. Yes, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. So 4 stages, children. Egg, larva, pupa, and adult. And the adult stage is called the butterfly. We will now learn about the plain tiger butterfly, which is commonly seen around us. Okay, children, we call it the plain tiger butterfly. The butterflies that we see around us in our surroundings, they are known as the plain tiger butterfly. Now we will go ahead and learn about the different stages of the butterfly. As you can see in this picture, the female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed leaf, which is also known as the rui leaf. It does not only lay 1 egg, but many eggs. Look at the butterfly, children, there. It selects a leaf and it lays her eggs on the leaf. It's known as the milkweed or the rui leaf. After laying the eggs, in 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. Now, in the first picture, you can see how the larva is coming out of the egg. Now, the larva of the butterfly is also called a caterpillar. Remember this, children. Another word for larva is the caterpillar. This is the second stage in the life cycle of the butterfly. Can you look at it nicely, children? Yes. How it's coming out of the, look at the first picture. And the second picture, the caterpillar is out of the egg. So the first stage was the egg, and the second stage is the larva or the caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. Now the egg is on the leaf. From the egg, the caterpillar comes out on the leaf. And on the same leaf, it starts eating very fast. Nibbling means small bites. It bites gently onto the leaf and eats very, very fast. It keeps eating very fast, so its growth is very rapid. Rapid means quick or fast, so it grows quickly. So its growth is very fast after it comes out from the egg. And it grows so rapidly in the first 2 to 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. Now, children, when you grow, even your clothes become tight. So the same way, the skin also starts outgrowing it. But under its old skin, a new skin, loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds, means drops. That means it sheds its old skin. That is, it molds. So we learn another word here, molds. Now, what is the meaning of shed? It means to fall off or to separate from its body. This process of shedding its old skin to make way for its growth is called mold. Means it sheds its skin and gets a new skin. That is called mold. Is that clear, children? That's another new word that we learned. So children, just listen now.
Excuse me,
Don't talk
ma'am.
just now. After I finish my lesson, I will ask you questions. Okay? Now, children, in the picture
ma'am.
to your right, there are two pictures. One is to your left and one is to your right. You can see a caterpillar shedding its old skin. Look carefully. Its old skin is left behind. Can you see that? Yes. In the first picture, you can see the caterpillar nibbling at the leaf. And in the second picture, you can see that the caterpillar is shedding its old skin. That means it is molting. Now again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. So children, at this stage, the caterpillar is very hungry. He keeps on eating and eating, and he keeps on outgrowing his skin. In 2 to 3 days, it molds a second time because again it has grown. In this way, it molds 4 times. You can imagine, children, how fast it has grown. So 4 times it has outgrown its skin. And it remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. So in 10 to 12 days, it has molted 4 times. That means it has grown 4 times its normal size. Now, children, as the process continues, and before the last mold or the 4th time, it goes into the next stage or the 3rd stage, the pupa stage, which is also called a chrysalis. Now, children, this is another word that we learned. All of you say it after me. It's not cry, but it is chrysalis. Learn to pronounce the word correctly. After I explain the lesson, I will make you repeat the words that you learned after me. So we learn the correct pronunciation. So the word is chrysalis. Now, what is a chrysalis? It has a protective case, and in this stage, and this case is called a chrysalis. A case, what is a case, children? It is like a protective box. When we want to keep something safe, we put it into a box, something very delicate, we keep it into a box. So here, to keep the caterpillar safe, it makes a chrysalis around itself. And how does the caterpillar make a chrysalis? It weaves a button. Weaves means it makes a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf, and it hangs itself from it. As you can see in the picture, onto your right, see how it is weaving a silken thread on a stalk of a leaf, and it hangs from either a twig or a branch or a leaf. So that is the next stage. That's the 3rd stage. It's called the pupa or the chrysalis. Now, children, the caterpillar remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. Now, children, we know in the earlier stage, it has eaten so much that it has grown 4 times its size. So now, inside the chrysalis, it does not eat anything. It just remains there. However, inside the chrysalis, very important changes take place in its body. So in the picture, you can see how the caterpillar is growing. Look at the first picture of the chrysalis and then keep seeing how it is growing, and it's changing its form inside the chrysalis. And finally, the growth of the plain tiger butterfly gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then you can see the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Can you see, children? Look at it. A beautiful butterfly has come out. It has emerged. Emerge means come out. The growth is complete and it is out. It has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies, children, go through these stages of growth. Not only one butterfly, but all the butterflies go through these stages of growth. So we've seen how the 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. See that, children? Inside it's growing. Can you see? And it is emerging. It's emerged into a beautiful butterfly. Now, children, do you know for each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed? So, you know that a plain tiger butterfly will lay eggs only on a milkweed or rui plant. Okay? The time the larvae, now children, I am using the word larvae, not lava. When it's one, it is lava. When it is many, it is larvae. Even though it is AE, we pronounce it as larvae. The time the larvae takes to emerge from the eggs is different for different types of butterflies. So it's not fixed. So each butterfly takes its own time. Caterpillars are also of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. The grains, children, now we buy grains from the market. We store it in the box. Even then, when you open the box after some days, you will see many insects. Now, how do these insects come in that? When we buy the grain, there are no insects in it. Now, if a female lays eggs in the box or in the grain in the shop in the sack, the warmth, it's closed up and kept. So the warmth is enough for them to grow. And they also have the same stages of growth like the butterfly. So when it's in the box, we can't see it. Maybe it's into
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Okay. It may be in the first stage or second stage, we don't know. So when we open the box, it emerges into a butterfly. Now, children, let us see what we have learned today. Almost. Okay, you can look at the picture. I'm reading from what is there. So just look, children. If my voice is echoing, I can't help it now. All living creatures look like their mothers, except for a butterfly and some insects. And maybe
Almost
children,
all living creatures.
can you mute yourselves? Okay, children. Some insects and even some animals do not look like their mother. They look a little different. Okay, there are some exceptions. Now, there are stages of growth in every living being. So every living being goes through different stages of growth. A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. Egg, caterpillar, also known as larva, chrysalis, also known as pupa, and adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. So children, the 4 stages: caterpillar, chrysalis, egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and adult. The 4 stages, okay? Now another word for caterpillar is larva, and another word for chrysalis is pupa. It's the same. Is that clear? We also learned the plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the milkweed plant. The milkweed plant, also known as the rui plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis and it has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Now, children, can you see me now? Okay. We have a little time. So now let's just say the words. We learn some new words. Okay. We learn some new words. Yes, Ritika? Say something.
Ma'am, I learned molds.
Learn the word molds. Okay. Then I'm going to take the names of girls. So don't unmute yourself till I take your name. Okay. Let me see. Angela.
Chrysalis.
Chrysalis. Very good. She learned to pronounce the word correctly. So all of you unmute yourself and say the word chrysalis.
Chrysalis.
That means you're all paying attention, and I'm so happy that you're paying attention. Okay, now mute.
Chrysalis.
Okay, now let me see. If you know, I'm going to ask.
Chrysalis.
Children, mute yourselves. Mute. Someone's not muting. We can't move ahead if we don't follow instructions. Okay. Now let me see. Paulina.
Metamorphosis.
I can't hear. Say it again.
Metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis. Okay. Unmute yourselves, children, and say that word together. Very good. Okay. Metamorphosis. But you can say it faster once you learn to pronounce it properly. I'm saying it slowly. Okay, children? You can say it metamorphosis. Fast. Okay.
Metamorphosis.
When you learn to pronounce,
Metamorphosis.
stop. Mute. Mute. Okay. Let me see. Niraya? Lava. Okay. Lava and pupa. Now, children, I told you one more thing. One, lava. Many.
Lavi.
Very good. That also we learned. No, that also we learned. When it's one, we talk about it as lava. But when it's many, we say lavi. Children, if you're not sure, you must always with your parents check the pronunciation on Google. You get the correct pronunciation of the words. Okay. When you're not sure, you have to learn to pronounce it correctly. Okay. So it is lava and lavi when it's many. When it's one, it is lava. When it is many, it is lavi. Okay, even though it is AE, it is pronounced as lavi. Okay. Anyone else who learned something different would like to share? Let me see. I'm checking.
Excuse me.
I'm not going to ask you if you don't put your hand up. Don't mute yourself. Don't unmute yourself till I tell you. Okay, let me see. Shravani, Sajave.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Metamorphosis.
Okay, you learned metamorphosis. We said that already also. Okay, good. And let me see.
And ma'am,
Yes,
Lavi.
Lavi. Okay. Someone else wants to say, let me see. Zainab?
Lavi hatching.
Okay, hatching, hatch, lavi, very good. So you all have been paying attention and I'm so happy you all have understood the lesson. Now tell me, give me a thumbs up sign, up or down, okay? Did you understand the lesson well? Yes. Now we don't have our textbooks, right children? Some of us have. Don't unmute yourselves, just listen. Some of us have our textbooks because we have got it from someone or from our cousins or our sisters. So some of us have our textbooks, but most of us do not have our textbooks and notebooks. So till we get our books, we are sending you the PDF of the pages of the books, which we sent earlier, yesterday, we sent it. So you can read from there. Okay, children, make it bigger, magnify it, and read the text till you get your books. Once you get your books, then you can follow from there itself. Now, children, I have sent you a note saying that you will be getting your books on the 1st of July between 11 o'clock and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so tell your mama or dada to pick up your books from there. Okay, books are available, uniforms are available. If they wish to buy, they can go on the 1st of July between 11 to 2. Clear? Yes? And now listen.
Yes,
Many girls have been absent. Many girls have been absent for the virtual meets. When you are absent, it's okay. Sometimes we do have some genuine reasons. You cannot be present. It's fine. But I would like to see most of you present for all. Now see, today we did such a lovely lesson. Tomorrow I have something else planned for you, but I'm not going to tell you. It's a surprise. So if you are absent, you miss out on the explanation of the lesson. Okay. But if you're present, I feel happy. But sometimes if you're not well or someone's not well at home or you have to travel out, you don't get Wi-Fi connection, we do understand.
Ma'am,
So
I
it's
cannot
okay.
hear you.
If you mute yourself, you can hear me. So on those days, if you are absent, you are supposed to send me a leave note. Like how in school you are absent, you write in the calendars. See, someone's not muting themselves. My voice is echoing. Children, please mute yourselves. Okay. So children, when you are absent, you have to write an application saying, teacher, your parents have to write an application saying, my daughter was absent on so-and-so day and the reason why she was absent. Okay. And when I open submission on Saturdays, Sundays, that time you have to submit it then. Okay. Why they were absent. So I know the reason you were absent. Now today I have Insia came in later. Insia, you're there. Insia.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone's joining in just now. Insia, you're present.
Ma'am, she came in just now.
No, she came in earlier. Tejasvi Buttada still absent. Krisha is absent. I'm just confirming before I end the lesson. Velika Ferrao. Velika Ferrao. Ruhati Padale. Ruhati,
Present, miss.
you came in later, so you missed your attendance. Okay. Then Ovi, roll number 42, Ovi Pingle. And Gazelle Padke. So these girls are still absent. So I have Tejasvi, Krisha, Velika, Ovi, and Gazelle absent today. Okay, the others all present. Now children, listen carefully. Today, we will be sending you the second part of the lesson, which I explained just now about the stages of the butterfly. And we are also sending you some notes for you to write. I know most of you don't have your books. So we will write our notes only when we get our books. Don't worry. We will give you enough time to complete your work. Okay, we're not doing that much also. So on the first, when you get your books, you can start writing. Okay, those who have books, very good, start writing. EVS 1, I told you, will be in the first half, and EVS 2 will be in the second half of the same book. So EVS book, one book divided into two parts. Is that clear? Those who have your books, start writing. Those who don't have your books, wait till you get your books and then write. Okay, children?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, miss.
1 minute, children, when I'm giving instructions. 1 minute. 1 minute. So clear to all of you, we have 4 books. I'm repeating again, 4 books you need. If you have, very good, start. If you don't have, wait till the first. And then you start slowly. We'll give you enough of time. So 1 is for English, 1 is for math, 1 is for Marathi, and 1 is for EVS 1, EVS 2. So don't mix up your EVS 1, EVS 2 children. You will write in the first half EVS 1, in the second half EVS 2. Separate them. Don't mix them up. Okay? Now, children, for tomorrow's lesson, tomorrow's virtual meet, I will be sending you the same link as today. Okay? When we click on the same link, it opens and you will join in. But I am sending it to you again. I'll be sending it to you in your School Connect app today. Okay, children? Now, Ovi is present. Ovi, you come in just now. Ovi?
Ma'am, network issue is there. Ovi's mom is here. I'm in
Okay.
office now. I will told her to log in.
Yeah, but we are about to finish our lesson just now. So it's okay. She has missed out on the explanation of the lesson of EVS 1. But for now, we are sending the explanation of the lessons. But in future, we will not be sending. We will only be sending you the notes. When I explain the lesson in the virtual meet, I will only send you the notes as a PDF. Okay?
Okay,
So
Miss.
try to be on time. Okay, children, this is for all of you. Try to be on time because we will be explaining the lesson on a virtual meet and I'll be sending you the notes as a PDF, notes or exercises as a PDF. Okay? Now, our time is up, children. So those who wish to leave can say bye and leave. Those who wish to ask me any questions, 1 minute. Children. Those who wish to ask me some questions can remain and ask me the questions. Sarvadnya and
Good morning and thank you, ma'am.
1 minute, girl. I have not said bye. I have not said bye.
Good morning and thank
Sarvadnya and Laila,
morning.
be prepared for your thing and thought for the day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Tomorrow. Laila,
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow thought for the day. Tomorrow be prepared for thought.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
Sarvadnya for your daily morning offering. Okay? Okay, children. Those
Okay,
who wish to
ma'am.
leave, say bye and leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Good morning and thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Good morning,
ma'am.
thank you, girls.
Good morning and thank you.
Good morning and thank you.
See you, ma'am.
Bye now. Jane, Adelina, you were absent on the first day. Yes, tell Dada to write a note and put it on the chat in the submissions, okay?
Bye, miss.
Bye. Those who wish to leave, please go.
Excuse
Thank
me,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, miss.
Bye.
Miss. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss.
1 minute, girls. 1 minute. Let the other girls leave first. Then you can ask me what you want to ask me. Okay, I'm going to give you one at a time. Okay. Now the first girl I can see here is Huda. You want to ask me something?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I can't hear. Children, mute yourselves, please. Yes, Huda, ask me.
Ma'am, I have old textbooks and should I buy
No,
notebooks?
if you have textbooks, old textbooks you can use, but you cannot use old notebooks. You have to have new notebooks for all the subjects, all 4 subjects. Okay? So you don't need to buy the textbooks if you have them. You can only buy the notebooks.
Yes, miss. Thank you,
1 minute, girls. 1 minute, girls. Next one. If you finish, Ruda, you can leave. Yes, Jaini.
Ma'am, I have bought my new books and I can write Aesop fables in the fan book.
If you have your new notebook, you can start writing the meanings of Aesop's fables.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay? Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Jaini.
Ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. This is Netra's mom.
Yes, tell me.
I have one question. So you are sending this daily homework like in the Google Drive videos.
Yes.
Yesterday it was from Marathi, EVS and all. My kid is saying that we don't have to do this homework now because
If
it will
you
be repeat.
no, if you don't have the books as yet, then you hold on till you get your books and then start doing the writing work. But if you have new notebooks, you can start.
Yeah, I have previous year's new notebook. I can use that, right?
Yes, as long as they are new books, you can start. No problem.
Oh, okay.
That is what I told them from day one. If you have new notebooks, please begin writing.
Okay, yeah.
Otherwise, we wait till we get our books.
Oh,
Ma'am?
okay.
But
Okay.
I don't
Children,
have
one-
all 4.
Children, 1 minute. Can we wait one at a time? I'm talking to someone. Where are our manners gone? Okay, clear to you?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, but one more question.
1 minute, girls. 1 minute. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can I don't have all 4 notebooks, so can I?
Netra's mama, you're done with the question?
Yes, ma'am, I'm Netra speaking.
Netra, if you have one book, if you want to begin with one subject, you can begin. And wait till you get your other books and begin with the other subjects when you get the books.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Okay. Next. Yes, Avadnya?
Yes, I have 3 books. I have started writing 3 subjects.
Okay.